Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making tacos. So let's get started. This is my ground turkey right here. This is the sauce that I'll be using and an onion. That's all I'm using, y'all, and maybe some seasoning, but that's it for the filling. So what you want to do is you want to sear your ground turkey off. You can use beef, and I leave it on one side because you know how to ground turkey is. It has a lot of liquid in there. So once you leave it there and don't touch it, the other side can get nice and crusty, as you're gonna see here in a minute. Right there, I'm pointing at it with my spatula, and then I just mix everything together. Next, you wanna just follow the directions on the back of the packet. Basically, it's not rocket science. Everyone knows how to make tacos, child, but yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm keeping it pretty simple and easy and basic. I'm also gonna do some couscous. I'm gonna add some lime zest down in there and cook it up. Get it nice and ready to go. And this is my water here already boiling for the couscous. You can see my lime zest down in there and my Maggi cube just for extra flavor. And just follow the directions on the back of your package. So far I have, these are my taco shells, y'all. This is what I wanted to say. They look hot. They looked hot. I was so scared when I took it out the bag. But this is what they look like. I put them in a pan because I'm going to heat them up in the oven to get them a little, heat and taste better. So this is the spread so far. I have some lettuce chopped up. That's my meat right there. The cheese is back there. I got both kinds of cheese. The lettuce is right there with the jalapeno. That's the mild salsa. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys. Look inside of this taco.